I pick my fuck up in ya.
Hey yo, what's good YouTube, man? It's your boy Life Hendo back at it with another video. You did. Hey, today, you know what I'm saying, we going down to the gun store. We finna go turn up for y'all, man. Y'all know SRTV out with the hood on our side. Our boy Kashawn out there big, you feel me? He got the cat out. Oh my mama, you feel me? So y'all, we outside of there, my mama. We got some shit going on, you feel me? Hey, I ain't gonna lie. Told y'all, 24 week going crazy. Hey, don't mind me talking, bro. I messed up. Hey, I know it's been a minute since I posted a video, but you feel me? We back out, man. You feel me? Trying to get my life together. What you touching like that for? We'll do it again.
One day I miss vlog, man.
Oh, my mama. Hey, but look, hey, I'm gonna tap in with y'all in a minute on my mama. Hey, keep it up, you feel me? Deuces.
Oh, he coming too? Oh, shit. Yeah. Oh, we finna hood rain. We're gonna play the road.
Oh, my mama. That's what I'm saying. Hey, shout yourself out, niggas. Oh, my mama, shout yourself out, boy.
Jalen shots, you feel me? Y'all gonna follow me, subscribe.
They're gonna be down there.
Yeah, that little nigga right there.
I need yours.
Hmm?
I need yours, didn't I? Oh, shit. What's up, y'all? Y'all gonna fucking subscribe, my boy. Get hit a million subs. Y'all subscribe to me. Bambo Roll, TikTok, Instagram. Yeah.
Tight shit. Hey, shout yourself out, nigga.
It's your boy Sean TB, you feel me? The best Hellcat driver in the hell.
Hey, y'all see that bit?
Subscribe, you feel me? Roll the 2000.
Tight shit. Oh, my mama. Hey, y'all, we gonna tap in with y'all when we get back to the goddamn tactical stuff. Later. Sound good on my mama. My mama. What happened? I mean, if y'all want to do 25 meters, it got an optic, so that's fine. That's all you got. Go ahead, put that bitch in there and let that bitch sing. If you want to take the ammo, you put the ammo up there too. My mama. Hey y'all, you feel me? We shooting that thing. It's an AR. Yeah, go ahead, it's in there.
One.
He the first one up on my mama. He gotta adjust that bit. Hey, the sound barrier gonna be crazy. Hey, bring it back. Yeah, let me see that joint. Oh, yeah.
How that motherfucker feel, bro?
Hey, how that been feeling, bro?
I ain't shot it so long. Let's see what he...
I thought he did. He probably did good.
Oh.
You ain't hit on that? Okay.
Okay.
But you see what I'm saying? If you aim a little bit lower, you should hit every time.
What's my name?
So I told him that aim here. Aim at the bottom of it. Because he said it's not zeroed all the way. So that's what you aim at.
So aim at the bottom. What? Like,
and in the red, but at the bottom of it. That bitch tough, bro. So yeah, that boy said it. Ooh, let that bitch sing over that bitch, mama. Hey, you letting that bitch sing. Hey.
He sued some crazy shit.
I don't know.
Oh.
Hey, take the magazine out, put it on safe.
Hold on. I'm tripping. Hey.
We gonna come back to him, y'all.
Yeah. Hold on.
Come on, man.
I think my boy got it now.
Man, what the fuck? 20 hours later. Wait, is you pulling the back like
Here, you me? No, look, this is what you do. Yeah, go ahead. I tried.
not sure what the fuck?
Let me get that other magazine.
Put it on safe. I'll teach you something real quick.
Hold up. Let me get that magazine right quick. I got that. I hold that shit back in the magazine. Right.
Here. All right, you want me to teach you something real quick?
Yeah, go ahead.
What you do?
When you see the dust flying down from the ceiling, that means you're shooting the ceiling. But it's not. If you can't control it, you're not done. Okay? All right.
Hey. you gonna hold it? Come on. Hey, man, you boys shooting at me on my mama. Hey, y'all know me. I'm right here with it. Goddamn, the weapon ain't zeroed. I'm right here on target with half this shit. Let me show y'all. Let me bring this shit close on my mama. I'm right here on target with half this shit, bro. This shit pissing me off, bro. The weapon ain't zero. Military, man. Y'all know I'm still gonna get rounds down range, feel type shit. But yeah, you feel me? My homeboy got his AR in that bitch too on my mama. He got that bitch singing. Hold on, let that bitch talk. Let that chopper sing. That bitch talking, gang.
You got control that motherfucker.
To the two. Y'all can tell I'm real, huh?
When you gonna be leaving?
November 2nd. Y'all see that? I'm really him. On point. Only reason why I was missing because the gun ain't zero. I'm real close to hitting everything on my mama. But it is what it is.
Alright, y'all. We can go ahead and, you feel me, fill this board with the whole club.
Slaying that bit.
I ain't gonna lie, y'all. We gotta make this a series or something.
A series?
Yes.
They coming in that bitch shooting on my mama.
Come on, this bitch just shooting.
Alright,
I'm
bet.
gonna shoot at their ass.
They wish I could go to jail. Hell no. Hey, but no cap, y'all. You feel me? Real talk. We're gonna come in this bitch, start a little gun series. Swear to on my mama.
We got to.
Y'all see that bitch? This bitch tough. This bitch tough. The optic suck, but this bitch tough on my mama. Hey, I'll teach you how to zero that bitch. Don't worry about it. Better let that bitch sing.
Let the whole ride.
That's all I had? Okay, type shit. Well, all right, y'all, look. Hey, I'll tune back in with y'all in a minute. Hey, say two bird. Hey, YouTube, man. That's the end of the video. You did what I'm saying. Hey, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned in, you feel me? You know we turned up all 2024. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see the hell keys behind me. SRTV, y'all. Stop playing with me. Hey, we turned up, man. Y'all stay tuned in. Me and my boys gonna have way more videos coming soon. Once I come here for deployment, bro, like, shit, it's all up from there on my mama. So stay tuned in. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit me up. Hey, drop a comment down below. All that cool shit, you feel me? Hey, I fuck with y'all. Deuces, by the way.